Discuss about laws of image formation by lens. We will discuss the laws of image formation for both the lens, concave as well as concave. Concave as well as convex both. First law. First law. When light ray coming parallel to principal axis, then after refraction it passes through second focus or appear to passes through second focus. Passes through second focus for convex, appear to passes through second focus for concave. It is first law of image formation. Number 2. When light passes from first focus or appear to passes from first focus, then after refraction become parallel to principal axis. Passes through first focus for convex and appear to passes through first focus for concave. And third law. It is concave center. When light ray incident directly at the optical center, then it passes without any deviation. It is common law for both convex as well as concave. When light ray incident directly at the optical center, then it passes without any deviation. And why it passes without any deviation? Because it is already discussed at the middle portion of the lens, both the lens, it acts as thin glass slab. It acts as thin glass slab, while upper and lower portion it acts as the combination of thin prism. The combination of thin prism. That's why light deviates from its path when it gets incident on upper portion or lower portion of the lens. But when it incident directly at the optical center, it passes without any deviation. Clear? Sign convention. Sign convention lenses. It is common principal axis. Suppose here we have very thin convex lens and here also very thin concave lens. It is common incident ray. And suppose it is common optical center. Both lenses are very thin. So it is same as that of sign convention for the mirror. Measured distance, or you can say first law, sorry. All the distances is measured from the optical center of the lens. That's why optical center supposed as origin, and in mirror it was pole. Measured distance along the propagation of incident ray is taken positive. Measured distance along opposite direction of the propagation of incident ray is taken negative. Measured height above the principal axis on both sides of the lens from the principal axis is taken positive. While measured height below the principal axis from the principal axis is taken negative, is taken negative. So this is the sign convention for lens. It is identical with mirror. So it is sign convention. Magnification of the lens. See here, magnification. Magnification. It is denoted by M. Suppose here we have a convex lens, optical center. Here it is AB, an object kept perpendicular to the principal axis. Suppose its height is HO. O stands for object. One incident ray coming parallel to principal axis get incident at point M. Then as you know, when light is coming parallel to principal axis, then it passes through second focus, or you can say main focus. Correct? Suppose it is F2, normally denoted by F. Other incident ray get incident directly at the optical center, then as you know, it passes without any deviation. And suppose both refracted ray get intersected at this point, and this point is corresponding to point A. So suppose it is A dash. So A dash, B dash be the image. Use sign convention. From optical center to distance of object denoted by U, and by sign convention it is minus U. Height of image, it is suppose HI. Distance of image denoted by V, and to measure the distance of image we move from O to B dash, means along the direction of incident ray, so it is plus V. Height of object we move along upward direction, so it is plus HO. Height of image we move downward from the principal axis, so it is minus HI. Clear? So take this triangle and this triangle. Triangle A dash B dash O. Now in triangle, right angle triangle A dash B dash O, and in right angle triangle ABO. Here angle A dash B dash O is equal to angle ABO, and both are 90 degree. Angle A dash O B dash is equal to angle AOB. Both are vertically opposite angles. So in any triangle, any two triangle, if corresponding two angles are same, then by angle similarity, both triangles are similar. Therefore, by angle similarity, you will read this theorem in mathematics, similarity theorem. Triangle A dash B dash O is similar to triangle ABO. And if any two triangles are similar, then the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So OB dash, its corresponding side OB, is equal to A dash B dash, its corresponding side AB. OB dash B, OB minus U, A dash B dash minus HI, AB plus HO. So this negative sign get cancelled, so you will get P by U is equal to HI by HO. And as you know, height distance of image upon distance of object is called longitudinal magnification, and height of image upon height of object is called transverse magnification, and both are same. So this is the magnification for lens, correct? And have you remembered the magnification for mirror? It was minus V by U is equal to HI by H. It was for mirror, and now for lens it is V by U is equal to HI by H. So there is no any matter of confusion. This is for lens and this one is for mirror. So it is magnification for